major fire erupted at the Ghazipur landfill site in East Delhi. While efforts continue to douse the fire, many political leaders and MCD officials have now visited the site to take stock of the situation. The fire started on Sunday evening and the firefighters have still not been able to put it out. Now, Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai has written to Principal Secretary for Environment and Forest Department asking for a report on the fire at the Ghazipur landfill site in the next 48 hours. My colleague Shubh Rana with us on the broadcast, and we had earlier received sound bites of certain Aam Aadmi Party leaders as well. We will play those out also in just a moment from now. But first, let me go across to my colleague Shubh. Shubh, if you can take our viewers through the latest update as far as the fire at the Ghazipur landfill site is concerned.
Yes, of course. There was the residents who were complaining about this Ghazipur fire break because there was a problem. There was a big problem in breathing because the fire broke out. And the Environment Minister Gopal Rai have also written to the Environment Ministry where he's asking for the report. And he have also said that the report needs to be presented in the next 48 hours, where he have said that he must tell the reasons of this fire must be tell, and what have caused this fire and the measures which was taken by the government to relieve it. So there was few points which was mentioned when Gopal Rai have written a letter seeking for knowing the causes for this fire break. And if we talk about current situation, the fire is under control and the residents have been rescued and they have been assured that soon the situation would be back to normal, because since Ghazipur was at the main prime location, and just before the landfill site there was many colonies, and when the fire broke out there was very much smoke in the area. People were facing breathing problems. There was children who were there were women there were mothers, and there was a lot of chaos and there was a lot of ruckus situation there. But after the situation was controlled, the MCD Mayor Shaili Oberoi have also reached to the ground zero, where she have taken that the situation is under control. And Gopal Rai even have asked for a report, and he have said that the reports needs to be submitted in the next 48 hours. Yes, back to you.
Right, absolutely. Shubh, at the same time, if you could also explain to our viewers what is the emergency evacuation plan that has perhaps been put in place by the Delhi government as far as the residents around that area are concerned, because reports keep pouring in of how people are now facing breathing difficulties since last evening when the fire broke out, and the wind is not really helping in this particular case because the smoke seems to be spreading, in fact, to all places nearby.
Yes, definitely, as very rightly said by you, there was a lot of smoke in the area, and the area is fully crowded where there is this Ghazipur land site is located, because behind the Ghazipur land site there is a lot of colonies which is home to thousands of people who have been residing there. And the family of these people are middle class families where there is not much as facilities as we are having in these urban areas. But the evacuation plan was executed by the Delhi government and by the MCD, because yesterday when the fire broke out, the Deputy Mayor Iqbal visited that place, and he ordered that fire extinguishers should be used. Although it have taken around more than 10 hours to to get the fire under control, but the maximum efforts by the Delhi government have been made so that evacuation can be done. And on the second hand, if we talk about today, the Delhi MCD Mayor Shaili Oberoi have also visited that place, and she have also ordered that the maximum should be done so that the fire is under control, because Ghazipur land site is a very, very big area and which is a home to thousands of people, thousands of colonies which have been settled there, and people were facing problems because that home is related to many children, and along with their mothers. mothers who have given birth to newborn babies who were facing very much difficulty in breathing. So to just evacuate and to just put that situation under control, major steps have been taken, and now the situation is under control. But there is still very smoke in the atmosphere, and it will take a lot of time to get rid of it. So this is the current situation, and Gopal Rai have also written a letter, as I have stated previously, where he has said that in next 48 hours he need a report that how this fire was caused, because since it is a season of summer and summers are approaching, so therefore these kind of fires are very usual, and he have also said that the ministry should look after it and give the necessary reports. Yes, back to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.